Hey, check it out, everybody. I bought me some gun racks for the TW200. Yeah, we're gonna go hunting. First, we're gonna install these. So, we're gonna title today's video, Installing Gun Racks on the Yamaha TW200. Alright, so, this video is going to probably be about 2 hours long. Just kidding. It's super easy to do. Where should we mount these? Where should we do that? Well, there's only one way to find out. Oh, it says 7/16. Let's go find a 7/16. Do I have a 7/16? Ooh, I might. I got one. Alright, so basically all we're doing is putting these bad boys in here like this. First thing I did on the TW was I took this little bar here and I just kind of moved it out of the way for just a second. Mainly so that we can just, get that bolt stuff put on this bike. Then it comes with these U-bolts, obviously, to mount this on here. So we are going to try and get that put on real quick. Hey everybody, real quick, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel for some more content. Yeah. Alright, so I've got these installed. I'll show you here in just a sec. But basically, I'm gonna put this back down so I can kind of make sure it fits and bring up the adjustment just a little bit more on this gun rack. I need to reorganize my shop, get some tools in here. I mean, I've got enough tools, but it's kind of hard to find them sometimes. Okay, so we got that done. Now we just need to figure that out real quick, adjustment wise, and then we'll tighten it down. But I'll bring you over here and show you basically, yeah, I mean, it's just 7/16 nut here. And you got the wrench. It'd be cool if you had one of those ratcheting wrenches though. It'd make the job a little slicker. But if you don't have one, it's still super easy to install. That's easy to do. They don't stick out that much. I mean, if you look at it, it's kind of inconspicuous. Like you can't even really see them. But I'll put this on and then I'll go get a gun and we'll bring it out here and we'll show you how it fits. Okay, so check this out. I basically bought some cheap gun racks. I'm not gonna lie, I did. However, I don't ride far. We're gonna test them out. I mean, honestly, I installed them. Will be a video on how to install these. But if they don't work out, I'll buy another set and we'll test another set out for you. We're gonna find if these work fine. We'll find if there's another set. But this set so far, I have, yeah, I mean, I bought these Grasper, is that what it's called? Grasper gun racks. But here it is. I've got it installed. I've got my 20 gauge shotgun here mounted up, and I can push that down just a little bit further, but as you can see, I mean, it's not really, other than just this little spot for the 12 gauge, it's pretty secure. I mean, there's a front view of the bike. Got it all mounted. I think that'll be secure enough to take it out for a little test run here. But I can also move this gun slightly this way so that it's more wrapped around this little part instead of around this section of the shotgun. But this is a shotgun. It is a pump action. You're gonna find that you'll probably have, if it's an automatic, this isn't gonna be near as, in the way. But it comes with these little straps so you can tie it down with so it's not all like loose. But with that being said, I will put some different gun racks in the links down below in the description. So take your pick. I'll mount. I'll buy another set. We'll mount them up. If you guys want to purchase a few off of the links, help this channel out. That's what we'll do here later on in the future. Is we will buy products like this and we will review them for people who want to put them on. I'll give you our opinions. I'll take you out. We'll put some video on here. It is raining. It's supposed to snow. But with that being said, we will test them out. So give me a few days. I'll get another video where we go out, we go maybe run the dogs or go hunting or do whatever. But we will go and we will take that bad boy and we will take it out. I'll put the chest strap on so you can see how it rides while we're out riding. So stay tuned for that video. But yeah, I mean, that's it for today. Go adventure, go have fun. Go have fun. I mean, that is basically the key to life, is having fun.